It tried its best to went to the anthill, hoping for help.
The food supply is almost ready. I'm glad we prepared. Good thing we didn't listen to the grasshopper, or else we would have starved this winter.
At last, the grasshopper reached the anthill and knocked the door.